A Cat5e shielded network cable must be fed from the outdoor unit to the indoor control box for communication. We have a separate video explaining the wiring requirements for the outdoor unit. To wire this communication cable, first access the control box by removing the front panel. Unscrew the two screws at the top left and right with a suitably sized screwdriver, as well as the two at the bottom left and right. Then pull the panel forward. Inside at the top right, you will find a connection named Outdoor Unit. Connect the communication wires to correspond with the outdoor unit. T1 to T1, T2 to T2. E1 only needs connecting at the outdoor unit. Leave safely disconnected at the indoor control box. X/HA from the outdoor unit goes to XHA on the indoor control box, and Y/HB from the outdoor unit to YHB on the indoor control box, securing the cable with the supplied bar clamp on completion. This ensures accurate communication and precise control between the outdoor unit and the indoor control box.